Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of x squared over x minus 1 multiplied with x squared plus 2x plus 1. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. For this situation, we can put about x plus 1 everything to the power of 2. Later that, we need to apply about partial fractions. We put about capital A over x minus 1 plus b x plus c over x plus 1 to the power of 2. Because x with the power 2, you got the degree number 2, so on numerator, the degree should be about 2 minus 1. That's why you got about bx plus c. Later that we do about common denominator. So you got about x minus 1 multiplied with x plus 1 everything to the power of 2. So you got about a multiplied with x plus 1 everything to the power of 2. And x plus c multiplied with x minus 1. For this one, you got about x squared plus 2ax plus a. This one, you got about bx squared minus bx plus cx minus 1. Now, we need to arrange based on the power of x. We got about x squared, open the bracket, a plus b. And we got about s, open the bracket, 2a minus b minus plus c. And the last one, that's about a minus 1. So let's compare the coefficient of this question. You can see that you got about x squared in here, so a plus b should be about number 1. A minus b plus c equal to 0. And the last one, a minus 1 should be equal to 0. So we got the answer in here. A equal to number 1, b equals to 0, and c equal to negative number 2. And so we input the number in here. A should be about number 1. C is about negative number 2. This one you got about 0 in here. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of 1 over x minus 1, you got about ln of absolute value of x minus 1. The integral of negative number 2 over x plus 1 square, you got about plus 2 over x plus 1. And we put about c is about constant. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.